I worship you. I worship you. Sa F na balik niya, hantad sa upat-upat.
You are here.
You are here.
Moving in our midst.
Kaya ba? Di, working in this place eh.
Sige, balik. Balik lang sa primero.
You are here. Sa what, are? Sa C? Kana moving in your midst.
In our midst.
You are here.
Nara dito. F, nara diha na.
You are here. Kasi dito C.
Moving in our midst.
Where's the C?
Third fret.
Okay, that.
Sa down. Na.
Moving in our midst. I worship you. Sige ba yan?
Second fret.
Okay. I worship you. You are here. Working in this place. I worship you. Kasi ito eh. Okay. I worship you.
Balik. You are here.
Okay. You are here. So after sa kwan, working in this place, another na sad ko no.
Oo.
You moving in your midst.
In our midst.
You are here. Sige. Moving in this place.
Moving in our midst.
Moving in this
In our midst.
I worship you.
Ang akong gikunin mo is ang kanang first para di ka maglibog. First kamot, ang second sa taas, then ang third para di ka maglisod. Ama ng G.
Worship you. Sige tayo. I worship you.
Very good. AM.
Last one eh.
Balik.
Tapos,
You are here.
You are here.
Taas sila na. You are here.
You are here. Moving in this place.
I worship you.
Ano?
Ang
Worship you.
sana sa G. Wala na ang first ang first nga ako nimo is butang diri. Na 1 2 3 kana para di ka maglisod.
Worship you. I worship you. Okay.
Waymaker.
Waymaker, spiritual worker. See?
Ubos ra.
Promise keeper, light in the darkness.
G.
My God, that is who
Sakto. That is who you are.
Waymaker, spirit, waymaker, miracle worker.
Promise keeper.
Promise keeper, light in the darkness.
G. Ang 1, 2.
My
Na very good.
that is who you are.
You are kay AM diretso.
That is who you are. That is... Oh, may time?
Kay Sara, kay balik pa man, pero meron pa na chorus. Mabalik ra ka pa dong ubos. You are here, touching every heart.
So, balik pa yun.
Kasi yung lagyan po ng chords niya, lahi lang words. You are here, touching every heart. Naasa na yung kanto na. I worship you.
I worship you.
I worship
Gets na ako.
i-practice lang dyan na. Balik-balik ka lang na. Ha? Same naman na.
Feeling every heart. Okay, feeling every heart na. You are here, guys.
You are here.
So,
Inib
F
here na.
pagyapon.
Mm.
If you're here, kay F
Oh,
pagyapon.
F ka.
Every you have here, kay kana
Oh.
F.
F. Na, touching every heart. Ang heart C. Yan na ka mag-start ya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down na rin siya. Upat ka
Ang
down.
worship you kay ang AM kay
And
ang G kay
worship you.
I worship you kaduha.
Oh, then, ang worship you is AM.
Nasa na turning lives around. I worship you. I worship